A few months ago, I noticed something disturbing. I could not focus anymore, not for long. I would open a book and reach for my phone within minutes. I would start working and suddenly check notifications without thinking. I would watch a video while scrolling another video. My brain was constantly switching, jumping, fragmenting. At first, it felt normal. Everyone around me was doing the same thing. But then I realized something deeper. My attention was collapsing. And attention is not just a productivity tool. Attention is your life. Whatever your mind focuses on long enough shapes who you become. So I decided to run a personal experiment. 5 simple steps. A digital reset designed not to escape technology, but to retrain my brain to focus in a distracted world. The results surprised me. But first, let me show you what life looked like before. Morning started with my phone, on intention, not thinking. Just scrolling. Notifications, messages, random content. My brain was already reacting before the day even started. Then work began. But focus lasted maybe 10 minutes. Then another tab, another notification, another quick check. By the end of the day, I felt exhausted, but strangely, nothing meaningful was finished. This is attention fragmentation. Your brain is constantly switching tasks, and every switch drains mental energy. You feel busy all day, but accomplish very little. So here is the first step I implemented. Eliminate attention leeches. Your attention is not weak. Your environment is hostile. Every app on your phone is designed to compete for your focus. Notifications, alerts, red badges, endless feeds. They are engineered to interrupt you. So the first change was simple. I removed notifications completely. Not some, all of them. Messages could wait. Emails could wait. Social media definitely could wait. Then I took it one step further. When I needed to work or read, I placed my phone in another room. Not face down on the table, not silent beside me. Another room, because attention is fragile. Even seeing your phone nearby creates cognitive tension. Your brain stays partially distracted. Removing the device removed the temptation, and instantly focus became easier. Step 2 was building a focus ritual. Most people think focus starts with motivation. But motivation is unreliable. Ritual is reliable. So I created a simple pattern. Same place, same posture, same starting action. Every time I wanted to focus, I sat at the same desk, cleared everything except one task, and started with one deep breath. That was the signal. Over time, my brain learned something. When this environment appears, we focus. Ritual removes decision fatigue. Your mind stops negotiating. It simply begins. Step 3 was the 20-minute focus block. At first, my attention span was small, 5 minutes, maybe 10. Then the urge to check something would appear. Instead of fighting it emotionally, I used structure. I set a timer for 20 minutes. That was the contract. For 20 minutes, I would do only one thing. No switching, no checking, no multitasking. Just one task. When the timer ended, I allowed a short break. Stand up, stretch, walk around, then another block. After a few days, something interesting happened. My brain adapted. 20 minutes became easy, then 30, then 40. Focus is like a muscle. It strengthens with repetition. Step 4 was reclaiming boredom. This might sound strange, but boredom is where focus begins. When your brain constantly consumes stimulation, it forgets how to sit with stillness. Every quiet moment gets filled. Waiting in line, phone. Walking somewhere, phone. Sitting alone, phone. So I started doing something radical. Nothing. When standing in line, I just stood. When walking, I just walked. No podcast, no scrolling, just observing. At first, my mind resisted. It wanted stimulation. But after a few days, something changed. Ideas started appearing. Creative thoughts, connections. Your brain does important work during boredom, but it needs space. Constant stimulation blocks that space. Relearning boredom rebuilt my ability to concentrate. Now the fifth step was the most important. Reconnect attention to meaning. Here is something most people miss. Your brain struggles to focus on things that feel pointless. If your work feels meaningless, attention becomes painful. So before starting any task, I asked 2 questions. Why does this matter? And who benefits if I complete it well? Once I connected the task to meaning, focus changed. The work felt purposeful, and purpose fuels attention. Now here's what happened after a few weeks. Reading became enjoyable again. I could sit with a book for long periods without checking my phone. Work sessions became deeper. Instead of scattered effort, I produced real results. But the biggest change was mental clarity. My mind felt quieter, less chaotic. When your attention stops jumping constantly, your thoughts become sharper. Decisions become easier. You start thinking in longer, more coherent patterns. Your brain was not designed to consume endless fragments of information. It was designed to sustain attention, to explore ideas deeply, to create, to reflect. Technology is not the enemy, but untrained attention is. If you do not protect your focus, the world will gladly take it. So if you feel like your concentration has been slipping, try this experiment. Remove attention leeches. Create a focus ritual. Use timed focus blocks. Reintroduce boredom. Reconnect tasks to meaning. Focus is not something you are born with. It is something you train. And in a distracted world, the ability to focus becomes a superpower. Because the person who controls their attention controls their direction. And direction repeated daily builds an extraordinary life. If this made you rethink your relationship with attention, comment "focus" below. Like this video if you want more practical mental training strategies. And subscribe for more psychological insights that help you sharpen your mind in a noisy world.